Excellent. All right. Um, thank you, Dee. Thank you, Dana. All right. Appreciate your time. All right. For joining me today. I know we had like a bit of a technical difficulty. So, all right. And yep. Thank you for being to meet with me. And I've been looking forward to meeting you guys. So, I just have a few questions, Dana, and Dee. Um, my first question is, what was your situation like? What made you decide to sell the property?
We're getting old and it needed repairs, and we couldn't keep it up. And then my son
Got,
didn't want the house either. So.
hmm, gotcha. And how did you know about our company? How did you find us?
Wasn't the main thing?
We just Google it. I mean, we just asked Google to bring up someone in the area that bought houses. When
All
we
right,
Google,
all right, gotcha. And Dana, what was your experience working with our company and with me as your acquisitions representative?
excellent. Y'all have stepped us through every step of the way. Even your office manager guy was nice. So yeah, we're very happy. No
All right.
problem. Anytime I had a question, you was right there.
Thank you, and I appreciate that. And last question: can you recommend our company, Sell House Columbus, to potential sellers out there?
Oh
Yes,
yeah. Oh yeah.
we'll do
Mhm.
it.
Yeah, nice and easy, all that. Everything that y'all said was true. I mean, it was nice, easy process. So yeah.
All right, all right. Thank you, Dana. Thank you, Dee, for the kind words, and thank you, guys. It was a pleasure working with you. All right,
All right, and then
and
we'll call you. We'll call you Monday, first thing in the morning, and finish it all up.
all right, yes, sir. And again, this is Zach with Sell House Columbus. If you're looking to sell your house for cash quickly, call us at 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at www.sellhousecolumbus.com. Thanks. All right, and
Thank
see you.
All right.
All right,
Thank you.
all right.
you.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, bye bye.
All right.